All right, so we're coming up 5 weeks in a couple of days, and we're getting close on the walls. You can see the drywall is basically done. We need just one more coat of probably just a thin coat of mud, and then the walls will be done. And so that should be done tomorrow. And you can see the cabinets are in here. Most of the lowers. So we got a little bit of trim to do. A couple of cabinets here, base cabinets for the island, which we'll be putting in today. And then, yeah, they'll be coming in tomorrow to template for the countertop, which takes 2 weeks to get here. So in the meantime, we'll do the floor and install that and get it painted and yeah, see how it goes. So we're at week 5.
Sometimes you're better off dead. There's a gun in your hand, it's pointing at your head. You think you're mad, too unstable, kicking in chairs and knocking down tables in a restaurant in a West End town. Call the police, there's a madman around.